Hi guys, and welcome back. And in this late breaking news update, some very exciting information about the Model-Creator Kickstarter. Model-Creator have just announced that they are supporting the inclusion of STL downloadable files if you become a backer of their Kickstarter over a certain level of pledge. So the idea behind Model-Creator is that it will give you the ability to design and equip your own figures online, and now have either the option of having them printed professionally and delivered to you as a finished product, or if you're pledging at the €50 mark or above, being able to download those STL files that you've just created and then print them on your home 3D printer, or maybe get them printed somewhere else locally if you can't wait, like I can never wait. So the concept of being able to design your own figure and then from a range of uniform options create exactly the figure that you want with the clothing that you want and the weapons kit that you require for your particular diorama or scene, vignette, or miniature army. I think there's great possibilities for that. It's just something that I've wanted, so I'm all in on this, and certainly I've pledged. And I just think that it's the way of the future and a great opportunity to get in on the ground floor. It already looks really good from what I've seen. It's only going to get better with time as technology and the process of design gets more sophisticated. So I just encourage everyone to have a look at it and have a really good think about the investment in the hobby as well. We need new manufacturers and new services coming through to keep the hobby alive and vital, and this just looks like some of the leading edge stuff that would help that cause on its way. So the ability to produce in various scales exists, and right through from 1/16th to 1/72nd scale. This is a test print. I think this is 1/16th figure, and I think the detail looks very good, so something to get excited about there as well. So you can see here the initial offering right through Austro-Hungarian infantry, Finnish infantry, 101 airborne, which I really want, the US Marines, and then from the Yom Kippur War, the Egyptian anti-tank team. So a nice initial mixture there. There are a number of different pledge levels available, right from €1 through to a couple of €1,000, depending upon your hip pocket condition. But from the €50 upwards, that will give you the access to the STL downloadable files. I'm not going to read through all of these. The various levels have different levels of access and different numbers of figures that you would receive once the pledge is fulfilled. And I think a couple of the things there that really stick out for me are the beta access to the website, so you can get stuck straight into the designing as soon as possible, and also the opportunity to participate in prioritization of units to be developed into the future. So I think they're both really appealing things for me, and I guess I'm not much different to the rest of us in this hobby. Now, like most Kickstarters, there's a number of stretch goals depending upon what the funding level is. So US Army Infantry, Korean War, North Korean Infantry, Vietnam War, NVA, the Australian Army would be interesting to me in particular. World War II US tank crews, British a la DG Chindits. I like the look of the Falkland stuff. I really want to get my hands on that, as well as the Somali, the US Rangers. That's Black Hawk Down just begging to be done. So really interesting options moving forward. Something to really get involved in, I guess. So I just encourage you, if you've got some interest at all, check out the website. I'll put links down in the description below. I think it's a really exciting concept and something that would be fantastic to be involved in. So yeah, I'd really like to see it succeed. It's got off to a bit of a sluggish start, but I think the addition of the downloadable STL files is probably going to give it a nice little boost along. And if I can help that, and if you guys can get behind it and help it as well, and perhaps really make an effort to share this and spread the word, we might see some really exciting stuff come to fruition in the not too distant future. So as always, guys, thanks for your time. Be interested in your comments and your thoughts about this sort of stuff, and I will catch you in the next one. bye.